Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be opening a build-in battle stadium, Paldea Evolved. This is my first time. I've opened one of these before, but it's not when I had started my channel. So I'm going to open it up on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to open it off I'm going to open it off camera. It doesn't let me open it. My sister's gonna go get me scissors because she's so cool. Thank you. Open it. Okay, I got it open.
Hey, you need scissors?
Okay, here we go. Wow, that was cool. Okay. Wow. Okay, so we have 3 packs right here. We got our energies, basic energies. We got our damage dice and damage counters or whatever. And then we have our 2 decks, and they come with 4 packs. So in total, I'm gonna open 11. So I'm gonna open this. I need scissors again. I need to move all this stuff out of the way. If you hear my sister in the background, it's because she's eating. Okay, I'm gonna open it. I kind of messed it up because when I did the scissors, it kind of cut through the cardboard or paper. Oh, I forgot. Okay, we're gonna open this. We got 4 more packs. I'm gonna add it to this. Now we got our booklet or whatever. And we got a hollow promo back support. And then I'm gonna open this one right now. Okay, I'm almost done opening this next one. Okay, got 4 more packs. And then we got our promo card. It's a Murkrow Hollow from Paldea Evolved, the stamp. Okay, now we're gonna open all of these booster packs. Start with the first one. These are pretty hard to open. Hold on. Wow. Okay, hold on. Okay, got it open. Okay, so here's the code card if you have Scarlet and Violet Paldea Evolved. Okay, 1, 2. Oh, I forgot the Patrick. I think it was 1. Yeah. Okay. Basic energy, Magnemite, Phalanx, Combi, Jigglypuff, Orangle, Electrode, Giraffe, Fangriff. Oh my god! Wow, that's first pack magic, boys. Wu-Chen EX. I don't think if this is an illustration or not, but wow, that's first pack. Okay, I'll put that right here. Second pack. Here's your code card. Oh shit, hold on. One. Fire Energy, Shinx, Rookdee. Ooh, Pikachu. Slackoth, Vigoroth, what the? Perchin, Crackler, Mercuda, Gearfrag, and an Orthworm. Okay, third pack. Here's your code card. One, Metal Energy, Gearfrag, Tropius, Great Ball, Hop Hip, Perchin, Zweilous, Marshall, Talonflame, Giraffe, and a Weavin. This is fourth pack, I believe. Onto the front. Basic Energy, Wartortle, Furcrow, Bramblin, Kerfunt. I don't know what that is. Certain, Falcon, Slowpoke, Springittle, and a Circloach. So far, it's only that first one that we got. So far, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs to go. So this is going to be our 5th pack. Here's your code card. One to the front. Fire Energy, Talbulb, Gearfrag, Great Ball, Roller, Electrode. I don't know what that is. Perchin. Oh, again, but different. Spirit Bomb. Okay, we have to at least get something now, like right now. Can't open this. Okay, I was finally able to open it. Here's your code card. Onto the front. Water Energy. Like this time, I don't know these names. Magikarp, Jellytron, Fargra, Sipdops, Magikarp, Quaxel, and a what? This is a promo card that we got, but not with the stamp. We only have 5, 6 packs left. I can't open this on camera because it doesn't let me open it. I finally got it open. Put the energy to the front. Electric energy, Furcrow, War Turtle, Shulden, Bravery Charm, Gortha, Honchcrow, Norbat, Dispense, and Spirit Bomb. Wow, like, we used all our luck in the first pack. I don't know why. Okay, I got it open. Here's the code card. One to the front. Leaf Energy, Tinkat, Shirtle, Grimmet, Bramblin, Vigorth, Perchin, Craveler, Jet Energy, Jigglypuff. Oh, dude, we need to get something at least starting right now. We only have 3 packs left. That's just that one card that we got. Wow, this one's hard to open. Okay, I got it open. Here's your code card. One to the front. Please give me at least something, please. Basic Energy, Snover, Fletchling, Voltorb, Seagull, Ultrabax, Himmel, Talonflame, Voltorb, Shinx. Wow, dude, we haven't gotten anything. There's only 2 packs left. This stinks. I'm gonna have to open it with scissors from the top. Okay, I got it open. Okay, this one, we're just gonna go straight through it. For now, we'll do a trick, which is only 1. Darn it. It was another hollow. I just saw the whole thing. But let's just go through it. Fighting Energy, Tropius, Dunsper, Hoppip, Wooper, Heracross, Quaddle, Amzuro, Magikarp, Walker, and a Tyranitar. Oh, fortunately, this is the last pack. This is the only card that we got. I guarantee you guys this is another hollow. I don't know why. Like, we only got 1 card at the start. It doesn't make sense. Ooh, I saw something. Okay. Like, out of 11 packs, I feel like you're supposed to get at least 3 pulls. Okay, because I guess my luck's bad today. Energy, Bramblin, Kerfunt, Krogskin, Kettle, Girfrag, Perchin, Swellis, Perchin again, Litleo, and I don't know what that is, but it's an EX at least. Okay, that's the end of the video, guys. Our 2 pulls were these 2 cards. So, next time I'll upload a video, but it'll be like in 2 months, I think. So, I am trying to upload videos, but I won't be doing it for 2 months, I think, unless I figure something out. So thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to like and subscribe. And let's try to get to 30 by the end of 5 months at least. Okay, thank you guys. Bye. Have a great day.